waterfall? High up in the mountains near Arba Minch lies the village of the Dorze people, famous for their weaving, their warm hospitality, and their vibrant traditions. The Dorze experience is one of the most unforgettable cultural experiences you can have in Ethiopia. Today, we will dive into their world, discovering how they cook, weave, dance, and celebrate life. Getting to the Dorze village is part of the adventure. From Arba Minch, it's about 45 minutes to 1 hour drive up to the mountains of Jinja. The roads are winding but beautiful, with sweeping views of the Rift Valley below. It is gorgeous like this. And to really experience it, plan a full day trip. The Dorze welcomes you not only for a quick visit, but for hours of storytelling, food, dance, and connection. You'll want to make time to enjoy every bit of it. The nature, I cannot tell it enough. You can smell it, the green and deep nature. I think it was raining. Sarolo'o. Okay.
ቤቱ ከተሰራ በኋላ እኛውን ሰብስበን እኛውን ነው ሽፋን እናደርገው ማለት ነው።
ከምኑ ላይ ነው ሽፋን የሚሆነው?
ቤቱ ላይ
ከላይ ያኛው
ሩፊንግ ማለት ነው።
እንደዚህ ከተሰራ በኋላ እሱ ላይ ለከበር እናደርገዋለን ማለት ነው።
ወተር ፕሩፍ ነች።
These blankets are also called gabi. They are not really as thick as blankets, but you can also make them thick. They also make scarves and shawls. This is pretty common also not only in Dorze area, but in so many areas of the country with different styles of weaving. Each piece carries meaning. The red and black pattern represent strength, beauty, and heritage. These patterns are worn with pride and also sold as souvenirs. For travelers, a Dorze blanket is more than just a fabric. It's a piece of culture and also perfect for cold winters in Europe or anywhere in the world.
Gose dunguze lisa kaira.
Some jokingly say, if you find a husband, you can't stay here forever. They might even give you one of the rooms out there. It is this warmth, humor, and generosity that make the Dorze unforgettable.
እና ቤት ስትገቡ ሰሮ ኬትሳሶ ብላችሁ ዝቅ ብላችሁ ነው ዝቅ የምትሉት ሰሮ ኬትሳሶ ሰሮ ኬትሳሶ ሰላም ለዚህ ቤት ማለት ነው
ሰሮ ኬትሳሶ may peace be to this house
ሰሮ ኬትሳሶ ሰሮ አይ ማለ ኬትሰዋኒ አቆይዋኒ
A visit to the Dorze isn't just a tour. It's a journey into culture, community, and tradition. From cotton weaving to cooking, from fire making to dancing, every moment teaches you something new. And you live not just with memories, but with a piece of their spirit. So, if you are traveling to Arba Minch sometime soon, make sure to set aside a full day for the Dorze village. It is a must-do experience in Ethiopia. As I leave the Dorze mountains today here, I want to leave you with this. Travel isn't only about the places we see. It's about the people we meet, the stories we take with us. The Dorze tribe's warmth, resilience, and creativity remind us that hospitality and joy need no translation. Wherever you go after this, may you carry their laughter, their colors, and their songs in your heart.
Hjälpa bättre först.